Well, here we are once again. I think it's fair to say it's been quite a while, but apologies for that. You know, life gets in the way sometimes, you have to move on. So I'm just going to start doing some filling and sanding work. Not sure how inspiring that is in terms of video content, but you know, it's got to be done. Seem to be digressing from one job to another, but you know, that's the way it goes. So anyway, let's have a look at the door gaps. Door gap, door gap, door gap. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Tightens up a bit here, but you know, not the end of the world. And then, oh my god. So what I'm going to do is we've saved this piece from before. And that's going to go in there. It will look good, I promise. So I just cut that bit off, ready to put an insert in. I'm glad I did actually, because I'm going to cuirass all this in behind there, so that's all okay. But yeah, pull that away, get some cuirass on there, have some lunch, and weld it all back together. That's looking a bit better, so give that a tidy up and we'll be happy. Right, so that's all sort of welded up. I've pinched the inside, so that's all nice and tight now. Let's get some filler. So I've got a full day on the Mini today, which is the first time in a long time. So that's that new panel. There's just a little bit I've got to tidy up there. It's nearly there, you know. There's a couple of bits I've got to sort out, but you know, it's not bad. Same with the wing. It's almost there, just a little bit at the front there I need to sort out, but you know, that's it's just nice to crack on and make some progress in it, so that'll do.